Hello everyone, I'm going to show you my updated curly hair routine. Let's get started. So I always like to begin with a pre-poo treatment, and today's oil of choice will be Botana oil. And as you can see, I have definitely put a dent in it. After letting that sit, I will now wash my hair with a gentle sulfur-free shampoo from AG Care. It's the Balanced Apple Cider Vinegar Sulfur-Free Shampoo. It states to gently cleanse hair and scalp, sealing the cuticle to enhance shine with organic apple cider vinegar, argan oil, and an abundance of nourishing superfoods. I make sure to really massage my scalp and get rid of any buildup. After rinsing, I will follow up with their Boost Apple Cider Vinegar Silicone-Free Conditioner. I will now detangle my hair with my fingers to make sure I get the conditioner throughout my hair. I will now leave it in for a few minutes before rinsing it out. Now go in with the Honey and Sage Deep Conditioner from Alikay Naturals, making sure I apply the product to hair, focusing on the ends. I will massage the conditioner into my hair evenly from root to tip. I will now let the deep conditioner sit on my hair for about 30 minutes before I rinse it out. After I get out the shower, I gently squeeze the excess water out of my hair with a microfiber towel. I will now put my hair into sections to get ready for styling. I will now go in with a leave-in conditioner, which will be the Kinky Curly Not Today. Making sure I work the product throughout my hair, evenly distributing it. And the slip with this, I just love it. Now going in with the Quiet Calm Curl Control from Innersense. This is one of my favorite styling creams because it hydrates, shapes, and definitely defines my curls. Now I will go in with the I Create Hold from Innersense. And this styling gel will give you hold and shine. I will continue to rake the gel from roots to ends, and now complete the same steps for each section. After I'm done applying the styling products throughout my hair, I will wait until my hair is completely dry, and voila, I'm left with the fine bouncy curls that I love. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for the next time I upload. See you in my next one.